在涩谷的街头，等下来去吃Izakaya。We lost. Go upstairs.
53階 ?53階なの
This is my friend Koki. Say something. Suru.
Hello.
Hello. We are now in where? Shibuya?
No, Shinjuku.
Oh, Shinjuku. Okay. We are going to Izakaya. Try to have some fun in Japan.
Yeah. T sub pro.
Oh no shit.
For
Where are we now?
something strange here.
Going to such a high floor for
Yes.
a dinner.
High floor.
So the view must be nice.
I think so.
Hokkaido. Your hometown, yeah.
どこに行くとも名前ですね。
来，我们到那个居酒屋了，等下要吃晚餐。这家叫做北海道。在日本最开心的就是吃居酒屋，因为很轻松，然后里面什么都有，每个都可以点一点，最重要还可以喝一点。So this is our room, huh? Oh, carrying my big luggage. Whoa! No shit. No shit. Wow. No, we are now in 53 floor. The view is so nice. Yeah.
サイズが大きいもの、通常の90分味わいまでご用意していただいているので、こちらでご案内させていただきます。
大丈夫です。
Hi, we are now in Izakaya. Then
Japanese izakaya?
Yeah, then Koki will explain what is this. This is called what? Otoshi?
Yeah, Japanese otoshi.
Otoshi. Yeah, it's very local culture. So some foreigners doesn't know. It's provide your drinks.
Yes.
Yeah, can you explain?
They have to pay the charge.
Yeah, but when they send to you, they didn't
No.
mention, right?
Yeah.
So when you check the bill, you find some expenses there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's izakaya regulation.
Regulation. So it's not a big expense, but you still need to pay. Roughly around how much?
300 or
300
300
yen.
yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
Not expensive, but
You still have to pay. Yeah. So that's a local culture. So we have to notice about it.
Yes.
Sorry about this. This episode we talk in English. So I will put the subtitles here.
so people say karaage, but in Hokkaido,
Yeah.
Hokkaido people say zangi. Yeah, zangi.
Again, what's that?
Zangi.
Zangi in Hokkaido.
Zangi.
So when you order, what did you say?
Zangi.
Yeah, you are traditional, real Hokkaido people.
Yeah. I'm Hokkaido Island people, so
Yeah. We
I was born in Hokkaido. So.
we proud of Hokkaido. Umai. Am I right? Umai. Yeah, we have more food coming. So we need our local expert, Mr. Koki, to introduce what food did he order. Oh yeah. First
Hey,
one.
this is a sashimi,
Uh,
the shrimp,
Yes.
tuna,
Yes.
squid,
Yeah.
shrimp, octopus.
Uh-huh.
I don't
Salmon.
know English word. I don't know English word.
I know.
The salmon.
Scallop.
Yes, carp.
Scallop.
And this is
Teriyaki.
no. This is no. Japanese barbecue.
Okay.
Barbecue and which name is muroran yakitori.
Oh, yakitori.
Muroran yakitori.
So what's the difference?
The muroran is one of city of Hokkaido Island.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
so the very local food.
Oh,
Very local food.
okay.
And the Hokkaido,
Yeah. My favorite.
you favorite?
Yeah, every time I go Hokkaido.
Yeah,
must
most
order.
of Japanese people like this.
Yeah. It's very nice. You have to eat when you are in Hokkaido.
好吃的烤鸡串，非常好吃。
Yummy,
Yummy, yeah.
yummy.
Tuna sashimi. Very nice. Very nice.
Okay.
Eat.
Bone.
Very
Bone.
tasty.
Yeah, very tasty. Fish.
And
Okay.
take 1 minute. Oh, soya sauce.
Yeah, soy sauce.
Yeah, with
Radish. And with radish.
Too quick. Cannot shoot. One more time.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
From Hokkaido. Right. Dip in the soy sauce.
To many good years. Yeah, cheers.
Jack butter.
Oh yeah, melting.
Melty. Jack butter.
Nice, huh? Okay, I can see you. Okay. After few rounds of beers, we changed our drinks.
The Japanese traditional shochu.
Shoju,
This is made by sweet potato.
sweet potato. For alcohol, honey.
Let me check.
While cook is checking, let me drink first. Wow. It's a little bit strong, but it's okay. The flavor, the aroma, a bit fruity, a bit sweet, the taste. Yeah, but anyway, it's quite smooth to drink. Even the alcohol percentage is much higher than beer.
Your shochu
Yeah.
is 25.
We had a very good time at this Izakaya, and thanks for my friend Koki and Suzuki. Yeah, we enjoy the food, the seafood, especially seafood from Hokkaido. And we had sashimi and hokke, the Japanese, Hokkaido local rockfish, and the
Japanese barbecue.
chicken. What's the name?
The Murana yakitori.
And fried chicken. What's the name?
Zangi.
Zangi. Yeah, and we had few beers and alcohols. Yeah, so tonight we are very happy and enjoy the food very much. So hopefully we can come to Japan and enjoy different food very soon. Okay, we see you next time.
Next time.
Okay, thank you, Koki. Bye bye. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Very
Don't
important.
forget to subscribe.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
Very important. It's
Very-
very important.
Okay, bye bye. It's good to enjoy the work after the drinking. Yeah, it's very nice. So we decided not to take the taxi. We by walk back to going to my hotel tonight. My hotel tonight is located in West Shinjuku.
Yeah, west side of Shinjuku.
West side. It's the border between Shinjuku and Shibuya.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's quite a nice hotel. I stayed before. They have the okay. Of course, the room is not very big. That's a Tokyo style, but they have a free onsen. The
You
public.
can expand your suitcase.
Try to. I tried last time but failed. Yeah. So I just can open my luggage on my bed.
Okay.
Okay, after 15 minutes work, we reach our hotel. Then, we had a very happy night. And I'm very satisfied and comfortable with the food in Izakaya. So anyway, I appreciate and thank you for my friend, Mr. Koki.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, this arrangement, always good. So I see you next time, Koki. You take care. See you next.
You too.
See you next time, maybe.
Have fun.
In Taiwan. In Taiwan. Okay, yeah, there's video. That's a proof, evidence.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, very important. Okay, thank you. 刚刚有提到说我们今晚的房间比较小，那就让我们来看一看今晚房间到底长什么样子啊！我刚刚已经 check in 了，所以我现在已经在房间里面，所以我们来看一下。所以这是门口。所以我们看一下其他区域长什么样子，把镜头转过来。所以现在可以看到，现在进来以后，第一个是书桌，然后其实非常长，第一个手再多一点，所以书桌非常小，然后再来是走廊。那走廊有多窄呢？拿我的那个行李当一个比例尺。我行李其实是一个中的行李箱，中的行李箱放下去差不多已经占了2/3。然后呢，再进来就是床了。床有多小？这样看有没有清楚？跟这个房间一样宽，所以意思就是说我头顶着这一边的墙壁，脚顶着这一边墙壁，然后电视当然没地方放，就放在墙壁上，就在你的脚边，在这里。所以这个就是这个房间的大小。然后浴室呢？浴室看一下，免治马桶是标配，然后再来一个浴缸，所以就这么大而已。浴缸连着浴室的马桶，所以这个就是今晚的房间咯。今晚的房间，所以这个。可以说就是标准的日本东京，尤其是东京地区的房间就这么大，大概看全部最多2平半，不到3平，所以那就这样子咯。我们下回见，拜拜，记得订阅。